Guy Fawkes and his friends conspired to blow up the House of Parliament and the King. Their plan busted, they were captured, tried and was found guilty. He was executed by being burnt at the stake on a bonfire. I guess that was around the 5th of that 1605. 5th of November, I mean. Therefore, this event is done around the 5th of November every year, marking the failure of his rebellious act. So this is it surrounding this history. So continue enjoying the therapeutic sound of this bonfire. Like what you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and save it, because I know you might want to listen to it. I guess this will be the longest fireworks you have ever seen. Anyways, for me, this is the longest. It is 17 minutes long, non-stop, and absolutely wow, beautiful. You can see that, right? mind you that fireworks wasn't the only thing that happened here. There are lots of other activities for family, be you old, young, middle age, everything is there. They have music, food, games for kids, everything. It was absolutely beautiful, and it feels like Christmas, like a carnival. Anyways, I never knew that such number of people lives out there at Ipswich. It was beautiful, really.
The end. Really?
Fireworks is a sign of joy, happiness. Well, this is celebration of Guy Fawkes defeat. But as you are watching it, my prayer for you is that there should be a big fireworks in your life, because around this time of the year, 1st of November was celebration of All Saints, and then it's also the Sunday following it was a parish services for All Saints and the celebration of service of light and life. So I pray as these fireworks blowing, may it bring out the fire in you, the best of life in you, that you will have a reason to celebrate till the end of the year and the next. Can I get in there? And if you believe it, I'm telling you, just believe it, because it's gonna work. Alright? Light, peace, love. Feel like fireworks.